Sugar Cookies. I'm Cookie, your lifestyle. And you're watching I Can Do That with Cookie. You'll find recipe and meal prep, exotic global foods, home staging and styling, weight loss journeys, organization, home improvements and DIYs, and reviews on makeup and everything, and so much more. Stay tuned because I upload weekly. Happy holidays, Sugar Cookies. Let's make this semi-homemade apple crumble. This is a video that I previously uploaded last Christmas season, and because my videos and my whole channel, Cookie Mix 67, or I should say my previous channel, Cookie Mix 67, got deleted, long story, I was able to save this one. Anywho, here you see Granny Smith apples and GALA Smith CRUSTEAZ, not sponsored. Just showing you what the mix looks like, and this is the semi-homemade part. I'm gonna zhuzh this up because I found the CRUSTEAZ mix a little bland. We're gonna put them on the stove. Please don't walk away from this. Be patient until they're golden, and then we're gonna add them later on. You'll see. I'm going to use a little bit of the peel and maybe a little bit of the juice. I'll let you know if I do that later. Some butter. And then I have a mix here of ground clove and allspice. And I have fresh nutmeg. Here I'm showing you what I'll be using to add to the mix to zhuzh it up a bit. I have the mix again of the allspice and the ground clove. And I have the nutmeg. I also have some ground cinnamon, some white sugar, and we're going to reserve some for later also for the topping. I have some rolled oats, and this is even better when you toast the oats as well. I have some brown sugar, and I'll be using some vanilla bean paste, which is absolutely delicious. And I also have some baking soda that I'll be adding to the mix here. A little tip for you, if you want to make your apple crumble topping a little less dense and just a little more fluffy, add some baking soda to the mix, just as I'm doing right here. That's going to make the crumble topping airy, yet still providing those delicious clusters that we all love to bite into. Previously, I forgot to record that I mixed the apples in maple syrup and the citrus peels and the cinnamon and the spice, the citrus juices. It really does make a difference. The bowl, no, it wasn't dirty. It's just that I mixed it with the previous apples and things, okay? But yeah, don't forget to do that because that's going to season your apples deliciously. I like taking mixes and zhuzhing them up. As you can see, I'm adding a lot of flavor to this. I'm bumping it up with the sugars and the butter and the spices. You can do the same. Trust me, it's going to come out fabulous. Make sure that your butter is nice and cold, and cube it and work really fast with that. You don't want to overmix it because that's what's going to cause the nice crumblage. Okay, and the bean paste, add it to flavor. Add all these items to flavor. My hands are nice and clean, and that's why you have to do it this way so that you get the nice crumbles as I just showed you. Okay, you're welcome.
Oh yes, sprinkle the goodness.
So I decided to add some more nuts on top. Yes, I did. I just want this to have such a nice nutty flavor on top. Took me a minute to get that weight out, but it's because I'm sipping a little coffee. I hope that you have some coffee with this too. It's so good. This is so delicious, guys. Make this, please, and let me know how it turns out.
Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. No, they're not. They're gonna know. They're gonna know.
Those little white patches that you see over the top there, that's the white sugar that formed that nice crunch and crisp. Oh my gosh, this turned out amazing. Serve it with vanilla ice cream, serve it with heavy whipped cream, serve it with English clotted cream, or just plain. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. The mister already done had 2 servings. But this turned out delicious. Oh my gosh, it's still oozing and it's crumbly. I did good. And then, oh, but wait. I'm gonna get a taste, don't you worry. I took inspiration from when I lived in England and got hooked on clotted cream. Look at that nice drizzle. Instead of ice cream, a nice drizzle. You can even add a little brandy to this or cognac to zhuzh it up. Just saying. Clotted cream, English clotted cream.
Big stuff right here.
Looks like they ain't not sponsored, but that's what it looks like. English clotted cream. Say that fast. 5 times. This is delicious. Zhuzhed it up with vanilla bean paste, some maple syrup, and a little bit of half and half. And you can add, like I said, brandy to this, and it is delicious. Now, let me just get, oh my gosh, this came, oh, the caramelization. Look at that. Here, that's for you. It's still nice and warm. And I'm gonna drizzle just a little bit on top, just like that. Yes. Oh my gosh. This deliciousness. What? Pour some more? Okay. You don't have to tell me twice. Don't worry. That spoon's not gonna go to waste. Wait. We gotta taste these. Hold on, 1 minute. Oh, babies, look at these. Oh my gosh. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Comment below and let me know what you think of my semi-homemade apple crumble. If you have a different recipe, post it on my IG, CookieMix67. Post your notification bell, you know, the ding ding dong bell, and select all so you don't miss my videos. And share the video. Why? Because sharing is caring. Be blessed, not too stressed, and smile. Your soul will thank you for it. See you later. All right. Here, I just wanted to, and if you don't know what clotted clean, take 2. I see, I don't script it. You see that? My video.
I will end you.
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.